How to customize video style in Goku AI to match your creative vision. Let's dive in. Open your web browsing application. For me, it's Google. In Google search bar, you have to type in Goku AI and it will get you to this platform. From the home page, you have to tap onto the profile icon from the top right corner and select AI video generator. In order to get the customized video, you have to select the option of cinematic, cartoon or anime, photorealistic or sci-fi and fantasy. In this current version, I don't have that option. For you guys, it may be available. So fine-tune video elements like frame rate, lighting and shadows, motion intensity, and click generate. And let Goku AI process your video. Once done, preview and download in your preferred format. And that's it. Now you know how to customize video style in Goku AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.